Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change name servers on GoDaddy. So before we start, of course, the first thing that you would like to do is just go and open whatever browser you are going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually using Brave, but of course in your case, you can use any other browser could be possibly working for you. Once you open that browser, make sure to go into this URL section, simply type godaddy.com and hit the enter button. Of course, that should take you into this page. And if you're facing any issues with the language, as I faced in my first time in this website, you'll have to scroll down until the bottom of it and make sure to change the country or region, which will change the language with it. Of course, if you want even to change the currency, that will be possible. So now you will have to go back and log in into your account if you have one. And if you don't have an account, you'll have to go and create one. Of course, you will be able to do both options. At this top right corner option, you will find the option to create or even log in into your account. Once you did one of those two options, you'll find yourself on this screen, which is going to be your home screen or your main screen on the GoDaddy website. So as we said in the beginning of this tutorial, we would like to change the name servers. So of course, if you want to do that, we'll have to click at our name at the top right corner, then click at my product, which will take us to the products page. Of course, once we are at this page, scroll down a bit until we find this domain sections and expand it if it's not expanded. Then just look for the domain name that you would like to change the name servers on, then click on DNS. That should take you into this page, which is the DNS management page. Then all you have to do is just scroll down a bit until you find this name servers. Click at change. Of course, if you have like a website you've built that you would like just to connect to your domain, you can click here. If you don't have that, you can click at enter my own name servers and change them from here. Of course, the first one should start with NS1 and the second one should start with NS2, and you will be good to go once you saved everything. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.